Hi, I'm Nick with Skog at Kust, and this is the LiteSåk. LiteSåk is our lineup of ultralight, packable, waterproof dry bags. They are made from 70D ripstop nylon that's coated with PVC and assembled using heat-taped seams. LiteSåk is available in 1.5, 5, 10, 20, and 40-liter sizes and comes in several color options. The LiteSåk features a convenient integrated storage pouch and carabiner, and when packed up, it fits in the palm of your hand and weighs only a couple of ounces. Clip it to your backpack or throw it in your glove compartment so it's there whenever you need it. Sealing LiteSåk is simple. Fill the bag and align the top edges. Fold over tightly at least 3 times, then buckle the clips. When properly sealed, the LiteSåk provides IPX6 waterproof protection, and it also floats. For more information, please see our listing.